Hello, everyone. I'm Wendy. Today, I would like to share with you a large model that I printed out in about 3 days. With 3D printers, the Garden of Winterfell. Of course, only the right half part is the garden. This left half part is the big project we have completed before. The model of this part is relatively large, so we spent a long time and used about 5 printers to print it out. But the result is nice. Now let's follow the camera to take a look at the details and contents of this part. The size of this model is relatively large, so we use the software to segment the model and do some sawtooth boundary processing during segmentation. The purpose is to splice them more easily and closely after printing. For this model, we use iBridger's new machines to print together. Look, in fact, we have added some small details. Not only the most characteristic crying tree, but also some small animals. Let's take a look at the small animals. Is this a little bit like some Game of Thrones between small animals?